What are today's messages? Let's pick a card first. You are on your way to meeting your true love. Which little glass has our message today? I think Cape Cod, Massachusetts. How someone treats you is a reflection on what is going on inside them. It's not about you. It's a good reminder. If you don't love yourself, you'll always be chasing after people who don't love you either. It's okay if today wasn't your favorite. Tomorrow is a new day. Stay away from people who make you feel humiliated for sharing your feelings. The courage to be happy includes the courage to be disliked. And the last one today. Healing is the end of conflict with yourself, and it's a beautiful feeling when it happens. All right, thanks for stopping by.